Hello everybody, it's Peter. I'm at the HS2 Wendover site. Here we are on the east side of the tunnel, northeast probably, and you can see there's been a lot of backfilling going on in the trench, almost up to the height of the actual tunnels themselves. More on this side than on the other side. Backfilling is backfilling the trench, not the tunnels themselves, of course. But what I want to quickly show you now is what it's like to walk along the Bailey Bridge footpath. But just when I got here, there was a crowd of walkers, might have been ramblers, about 10 or 15 of them. Some of them with those long poles, are they called Norwegian sticks or something? I don't know. Anyway, here we go. We're going to walk along and experience the shuddering, juddering, and all the other utterings of what it's like to walk along a Bailey Bridge. Not to be recommended, but people pay money to go on fairground rides. Who needs to do that when you can walk along a Bailey Bridge at an HS2 construction site in Wendover? Not me. So I'm not going to look down, and I'm going to spare you that as well, dear viewer, although you're probably ensconced in the safety of your own house, not contemplating doing any Bailey Bridge walking at this moment. So there we are. In fact, it doesn't shudder or judder that much, but here we are. The left hand side is in fact being backfilled about as much as the right hand side, so I was wrong in my guesstimate there. And I can't see the mixer actually turning, or maybe it is. All sorts of, here comes a vehicle out of the tunnel. First time I've seen that. That's very exciting. So I don't know what it's been doing. Oh, there's the mixer. This is incredibly exciting. So the mixer has gone into the tunnel with its concrete, presumably to patch up a little bit that needed a bit of concrete. And here it comes, and there's another mixer. Oh, this is tremendous. And the other mixer is parking up, ready to reverse into the tunnel by the looks of it, because the first mixer has obviously dumped its load of, I assume, concrete in the tunnel at the appropriate place, and they've got another one ready to back up and install some more concrete. And there's a very short orange suited person, could be a child there, who's talking to an adult, which is a bit unusual. So the great thing about coming to this site is you expect the unexpected. This is certainly unexpected. And the short person is going into the tunnel, perhaps to direct or help the concrete mixing person back up to the right place so they can put some concrete in the right place. That's how it works. It's teamwork, folks, teamwork. If you want to build an HS2 railway, you need teamwork. Thanks a lot for watching. It's Peter at HMA. Cheers.